2013 Canam 650 Outlander Max. So it's got the 2-up capable. It's got a winch, a big rad relocate, LED light bar. It's a factory rad relocate, or Canam rad relocate. It's got hand guards. It's got brand new Mayhem tires, 27-inch. It's in nice shape, but the bars are all kind of faded on it. And somebody's recovered the seat, so it's definitely sat outside. It's got 5,131 kilometers on it. Runs nice. Clutches were done. The primary clutch was done. And a new belt on it. This one has the air suspension on it. Of course, 4-wheel drive, winch works.